And the winner of the 2025 Best Scientific Expertise Award is WuXi Biologics.
First of all, thanks very much and congratulations to the other finalists and nominees. I think as already been mentioned today, we play a very important part in the whole pharmaceutical value chain. I'm collecting this, I'm very proud to collect this on behalf of all my WuXi Biologics colleagues, so thanks again.
And the winner of the 2025 Best Seamless Delivery Across Phases Award is WuXi Biologics.
Thank you once again. I think this really plays into the operational excellence across all our facilities globally, and is great kudos to the work that the teams do and go above and beyond to service our clients. Thanks again.
And the winner of the 2025 Best Innovative Approach to Technology and Process Execution is WuXi Biologics.
So, yeah, well, first of all, thanks for the nominations, and it's, again, a great privilege to be able to come up here and collect our third award of the evening, and this is huge kudos to all the WuXi Biologics teams in all our global manufacturing sites. So, thank you very much.